You've made the decision to protect your facility with Park Sentry, the best defense against collision damage in high-density parking areas. Now it's time for installation. Good news! Installation is a simple process that requires no tools. Park Sentry kits come with everything you need: planks or panels, corners, straps, or wall clips for the wall system. Each standard kit fits a specific column size or wall area. But since Park Sentry is a modular product, it can be customized to fit larger or smaller columns or wall areas. Basically, it can be configured to any sized area. Just add planks or panels or cut them down to the size you need. All that's required to cut Park Sentry is a utility knife. There are even cutting grooves that make it easy to adjust to the right size. Let's look at each Park Sentry configuration and its installation. Park Sentry Square is a combination of corner pieces and flat planks, connected with interlocking keys and secured to the column using adjustable reflective straps. To install Park Sentry Square, measure the column. If necessary, cut planks or add planks to fit. Using the key lock system, position the first 3 planks and 2 corners together to stabilize the system. Position the 4th side. Place straps into the grooves and secure. Park Sentry Round is a system of panels connected using a tab and slot system and secured to the column with adjustable reflective straps. To install Park Sentry Round, measure the column. Cut panels or add panels to fit. Slide the extended tabs into the integrated slots. Install the adjustable cinch straps and pull tight. Park Sentry Wall System combines Park Sentry round panels with wall clips to create a collision buffer that protects structured walls. To install Park Sentry Wall System, measure the wall. Cut panels or add panels to fit. Slide panels into wall clips, top and bottom. Secure the section to the wall with fasteners, not included. Park Sentry protects your facility, your customers, and your business. For more information, visit www.sentrypro.com or contact us at info@sentrypro.com.